Is there a zip-like function that pads to longest length? Is there a built-in function that works like zip, but that will pad the results so that the length of the resultant list is the length of the longest input rather than the shortest input?
In Python 3 you can use itertools.zip_longest. You can pad with a different value than none by using the fill value parameter. With Python 2 you can either use itertools.isip_longest, Python 2.6+, or you can use map with none. It is a little known feature of map, but map changed in Python 3.x, so this only works in Python 2.x.
For Python 2.6x use itertools modules izip_longest. For Python 3 use zip_longest instead, no leading I.
In addition to the accepted answer, if you're working with iterables that might be different lengths but shouldn't be, it's recommended to pass strict equals true to zip, supported since Python 3.10. To quote the documentation, zip is often used in cases where the iterables are assumed to be off equal length. In such cases, it's recommended to use the strict equals true option. Its output is the same as regular zip. Unlike the default behavior, it checks that the lengths of iterables are identical, raising a value error if they aren't. Without the strict equals true argument, any bucktat results in iterables of different lengths will be silenced, possibly manifesting as a hard-to-find bug in another part of the program.
Non-itertools Python 3 solution.